for Mamelodi Sundowns if they achieve that. Amazulu haven't won here. Turned over by Mamelodi Sundowns, and Peter Shalolile is a constant danger. Is an effort that needs parrying away. Good effort from Jaden Adams, and equally so from Motswa.
He's just find the runner.
We guess up to 20 points ahead of Marumo Gallants, and one behind SuperSport United, one behind Richards Bay FC, one behind Abafana Bestende, and suddenly it all gets very tight and nervy. In the meantime, Shalolile surely must convert, and does. Held his pose, and even when he seemed to lose his balance, he didn't lose his nerve. Heel from Abubakar Mabara, or space here, Rowan Human.
Does not get it on target.
Space available here for Ribeiro. Ribeiro on the inside. Oh, cuts the back the other way though, and then the dink towards Sales. Goal number 4 for the new signing, 22-year-old Brazilian.
Since that tactical change that the coach has made, he comes in and plays as one of the front 4.
Arrived Peter Shalolile 6 minutes into the second half, and Sales to sew things up with 3 minutes remaining on the clock with his 4th goal of the season. And yeah, the firepower of Mamelodi Sundowns is proving too much for Amazulu at the end of the day.